Wanna know how to use Rank Math SEO in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can use it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your current WP admin and its dashboard. Now, once you're there, you can just simply scroll down until you find plugins right here and make sure you have Rank Math SEO installed. If it isn't, simply head towards Add Plugin, and now you should be on the plugin store. Now once you're under the plugin store, you can just simply search up for Rank Math SEO under search plugins. Now once your search has been found, right here you should be seeing Rank Math SEO with this icon right here. So you can just simply select install and then select activate. Now once it has been activated, a wizard should open automatically. If it hasn't, here you should be seeing Rank Math SEO under plugins or somewhere around comments. Now once you selected it, here you should be welcomed with another page of Rank Math SEO. So you can just simply head towards setup wizard right here to completely set up your Rank Math SEO. Now once that is done, just simply head towards your pages or post and then select an existing page. And now once the editor loads up, here on the top right side you should see various icons. This is of Rank Math SEO, the both red ones that you see right here. So you need to aim for green ones. So you can just simply select any one of these, Rank Math, and you can just simply aim for green. So make sure your page or your content is green so that more people can reach it. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.